How's it going today, guys? My name's Chris. This is the Hilltop Mod Shop. Let's get this video started. Pretty cold day today. Just gonna see if we can get the quad started. So gonna have to hook the battery charger up, get some extension cords going. Get this. Got a couple different ones here. We'll get the quad going. We gotta plow the driveway. We got a fire going in here, so it's a little warmer. Maybe later we'll go do some drifting. We'll see. All right, got the battery charger. Got some extension cords. Get this thing hooked up. It's been sitting here for about a week. It was minus 30 all week, so it's gonna be fun. I don't know how well it's gonna start. Probably not that great, but all right, got the battery charger hooked up. We're gonna let that sucker sit for a little bit. Alrighty, we got the fire going. I guess since this is my first YouTube video, I should probably give you guys a little walk around the shop and show you what we got, what's gonna be on the channel. Here's the garage, you know. It's nothing special, but it works. Here we got one of a couple of sleds. There's a 1987 Player Cindy Trail. It's got a 488 fan cooled in it. Pretty fun little unit. Someone quit eating my kindling. Yeah. No, that's fine. Thanks. Nice try though. Come on. Let's go see how the quad's doing. Let's see how this thing's doing. Have to brush some more snow off. So much snow. Gonna be some good sledding. See what she's got. Oh, better than nothing. We're getting something. All right. '98 Dodge half ton. That's kind of my summer project. Turn it into a wheeling rig. It used to be my old man's. It's coming along. You guys will see more in the summertime. If you stick around, you gotta stick around if you want to see it. Here we got my 2014 Assault, and then just a old 2000 RMK. But we're not playing with that stuff today. If you guys want to see that, you gotta come back and hit that subscribe button. Follow along, see some cool stuff. Right on, right on. Woo! We got her to start. It is not happy though. It's old. Looks like I got some antifreeze leaking over here. Hopefully we didn't crack a block or nothing. That'd be shitty. Come on now. How's the vision? Vision's great. Fantastic. Slide on out of here. Well, doesn't look like there's coolant up here, so that's... I'm frozen in there, so that's good. You stay away from the green stuff there, Summit. Okay? If there's anything I can teach you, stay away from the yellow and the green snow. Okay? Yeah. Snow everywhere. Get off of there, come on now. Oh, seal's all buggered up. Just stick it like that. That'll work. That'll work just fine. Maybe. We'll see. Only time will tell. Oh yeah. No drips at all. Let's go. Still looks dry. Good to me. I'll let the belt warm up a little bit before we try to do any pushing. This thing's definitely been happier. See if we can just do a straight push. That's a lot of snow. Just like a dozer. We'll make some great jumps for the sleds later. Push the snow back over. Kind of just got to bring it down. Yeah, that's working pretty good, I think. We're going to angle the blade for this one, I think. Perfect. Alrighty, back in the garage. Got the driveway pretty much plowed. It's still like -20 out, so I don't want to do the whole thing. Probably wait until it's supposed to warm up this week. I'll tackle it tomorrow after work or something. But she finished it up. Didn't leak no more antifreeze, so I don't know. Have to keep a close eye on it, I guess. Tires work pretty good. Definitely had her chewing pretty good today. There's lots of snow out there. And it's been sitting for a week, so vehicle's just packing it down, packing it down. Then the quad doesn't want to plow it because it's so hard. Hey guys, a couple days later now. I gotta get the sled put in the garage. I gotta put a bumper on it. We're going sledding this weekend, so you guys get to see the Assault. I'll give her a quick rundown. You guys can check it out. All right, let's get her fired up. How many pulls? 2, 3. Go grab the sled. Oh yeah, way more better. What's up, guys? Didn't really do much recording. I kind of lost track of time there. Got bullshitting with the buddy. Bumpers on the sled. She's all oiled up, ready to go. So, anyways, I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you like what you're seeing, come back. Next video, you guys are gonna get to see the Assault do some magic. Me and Keegan are gonna go do some sledding. You'll see what he's riding. So, stay tuned, boys. See you around.